Okay, in this video, we are going to be taking time to look around Facebook ads. You see, this is actually one of the most searched topic, and this is also the most in-demand, topic right now. People actually want to see how to set up Facebook ads in order to actually leverage it to sell their digital products and get to make money for themselves. So I'm going to be taking my time to simplify it, but I realized that this particular video is going to take too long. So what I'm going to be simply doing here is to break it into two parts. There's going to be a part one and two. This is going to be a part one. I'm going to be taking you through the theoretical aspect of Facebook ads. This is quite important. No, I know you want practical, but if you don't understand the theory, you would actually miss out on the most important aspect of setting up these ads that most probably would make you fail. Yes, and I mean it absolutely 100%. You would fail if you don't listen to this. Okay, so Facebook ad basically have done a lot of updates in the past year, and you must have heard it a lot. I'm sure that most of you, your Facebook ads that have been doing well are no longer doing well, and some people who have not even started are looking for the tips and the tricks on how to do it. You're going to get everything from here in this particular video. Now, I'm not going to be calling them Facebook, I'll be calling them Meta because yes, it's now Meta, right? Okay, so Meta basically have actually been, leveraging AI to help you optimize your ads better. And one of the major things here is the fact that if you have been running, Facebook ads or Meta ads via boosting posts on Instagram, boosting posts on Facebook, and all of those other channels, then you have absolutely been doing the wrong thing. Why? Because there is a very high chance that if you are making money now, you're making way less than you would have made, or maybe you're not even making money at all and you're burning a lot of cash. But one of the simple things that smart business owners do these days is not to even touch boosting posts. Ignore it totally and go ahead leveraging on the Meta ad dashboard that is via Meta Business and using the whole AI update to optimize your ads for better results, right? But what exactly is this? Now, the Andromeda update basically is, a simple update that would want you to learn how to start using creatives to optimize your ads. Hey, hold on. This particular video is sponsored by Bombi.io. You see, as a creator, as a business owner, I know making money online is sweet, but how exactly do you make it sweeter? I've been able to automate my entire business process with Bombi.io, and it actually helped me to scale my online income and help me earn thousands of dollars. Now, I actually know that might actually be what you're also looking at doing, and this is where Bombi comes in because this is an all-in-one tool that would help you as a creator or business owner to automate your entire business processes and scale and start making more money for yourself. Whether you want to set up series of landing pages for your sales funnel, it's actually click, drag, drop, use templates, and that's it. Or you actually want to plug in your products or plug in your checkout URL, or maybe you want to set up series of webinars that will help you convert better and make more money. Bombi.io does it all. Or let's even say you want to do follow-ups via email marketing and you actually want to see how you can get to recover people who are in your email list. You can also get to leverage Bombi.io for this one. Now, what you simply want to do right now is to go ahead and use my link. Use my link. Yes, I have a link right now in the description of this particular video, or check as well in the pinned comment. Yes, check in the pinned comment as well, and you are going to be able to, get my affiliate link to get a free account. Yes, you can get a free account today on Bombi, but it's only for a limited number of persons. So rush right now and get your account, and I wish you the best in your online journey. Go ahead and continue your video. Now, what exactly does this mean? This means that Facebook is not using your targeting anymore to get your customers, but it is using your creatives now as your targeting option to reach the people who most probably would buy from you. Now, this is quite crazy because in the past, we would usually want to go ahead and look for targeting. I want to target Lagos State. I want to target this woman that has a blonde hair and she's like this. She lives in this and she lives in that. No, it no longer works. Because right now, Meta just uses your creatives to search for people that are most probably a very good fit for that particular creative and most probably would also be a good fit for the product with which you're selling. But if I was going to be starting an ad today, what exactly would I even do? Now, the very major thing you actually want to do right now, like we obviously know, number one is your product, right? What exactly is your product? And you see, this particular product is quite important because, we have people that are selling, digital products, and there are people that are selling, physical products. Now, whether you're selling digital product or physical products, it's no longer, there's no longer much difference, right? Because you obviously will be going through one particular path. Now, the second thing you actually would want to know is your funnel. Now, what exactly is your funnel? Your funnel is simply, the step-by-step process that your customers will go through to be able to buy from you. And this funnel actually gets to link up several landing pages that people can actually see your offer, get to understand what your offer is, and they can now go ahead and proceed to buy. So most probably, I would say, let's say we're using a very simple, funnel process here, where we have a landing page, right? So this is a landing page here, right? And on this particular landing page, we have a button that links to your checkout. Okay, now this landing page obviously is what gets to give people insight on what your offer is and what exactly you are selling. But let us look at what brings people to this page. Okay, this is where the ad comes in, right? So your ad will lead people to your landing page. Your landing page will lead people to your checkout. The one major thing you need right now to set up your landing page is Bombi, right? You want to go over to bombi.io. Yeah, go over to bombi.io right now, and you would see that you can easily go ahead and use their templates there to set up series of landing pages for yourself that you can easily just start using to sell your product. Most people do something really crazy, and I don't know why they do that, right? They move people from their ad and they move this traffic over to their checkout URL. Okay, and this checkout could be it could be your seller, it could be your main stack, right? It could also be maybe your next huge. Okay. And I don't know why you're moving people from your ad to your checkout URL. That's a very wrong funnel process. Instead, there has to be a breaker, because this particular breaker here is what will actually help people to convert better. It will obviously give you more conversions if you have a landing page that gives people insight on what you're selling before you actually get to move them to your checkout. And this is where Bombi comes in, right? Because with Bombi, you need something that can easily create it free and fast. Okay. I think I made a video around Bombi.io, a quick walkthrough. You can actually go ahead and check that particular video, and you can do your checkout and then link it. But let us talk about the ad, because the major thing about ad these days, like I said, is leveraging your creatives. And this is where I have what I call the creative testing system. Okay. And this creative testing system basically is the one major thing that we need in order to run. Now, how exactly do I run my creative testing system? I simply go ahead and first of all call out who exactly my target audience is. Okay, so let's take for example, and I'm not talking about the broad target audience. So let's say we're targeting men and women, right? You would notice that these are broad. This is very, very broad. All right. But once I really want to go deeper. So let's say I'm selling a make money online product and I'm targeting, let's say, civil servants, or I'm targeting 9 to 5ers, or I'm targeting stay-at-home moms, or I'm targeting, let's say, freelancers. Now, this obviously means that I have 4 broad categories, right? I can go on and on because there are a lot of other people that I can actually target with this. But let's say I'm looking at targeting 9 to 5ers, right? I'm bringing in my product right now. And what I'm going to be doing is to now create like 10 different angles, 5 to 10 different angles. Let's say I'm doing one different angle that will target 9 to 5ers, 2 different angles, the third one, the fourth one, and then the fifth. You can actually do almost like 10. Okay, and this is exactly how I'm going to be doing with this first audience, the second, the third, and the fourth. And at the end of the day, I'm going to be having like 40 different ad creatives for this particular purpose. Okay, now this exactly is where it all starts from, because since we are not going to be using our Now, this exactly is where it all starts from, because since we are not going to be using, our creative to target people, then most probably you obviously want to have more and more creatives that you can actually get to test with. Now, imagine we have just 40. Imagine we have about 10 broad audience that we're speaking to, and we have 10 other, set of, videos that we've created from different angles for each of these broad audiences. That's about 100 ads, and this does not even include images. These are just simply videos. So when we even start adding series of images to it, it will make it more. Okay, now what exactly does this give us? This gives us the bandwidth to be able to reach multiple different people, from different angles, and meeting them at their different point of needs, right? And this is quite important because even though somebody is a 9 to 5er, they're not feeling what another person is feeling. They might not be in the same shoe like another person, and it could just be you speaking about something different that actually gets to reach out to this particular person. And that is exactly what Meta wants these days. Now, how you actually go ahead and set up these different ads inside of your ad dashboard and all matters a lot too, because you want to actually start out with a testing campaign with which you can then get to find series of winners, and then you can move it to a winner campaign, and you can go ahead and then scale that particular winner campaign, optimize it as it brings you more sale, and you keep on getting to make more money for yourself. Right, so this exactly is what you want to start doing right now. This exactly is what the whole Andromeda update is all about. This is exactly what they are preaching to you and telling you right now, that you should actually want to start doing with your ads and all, right? But then, like I said, this is actually taking too long, and we might not be able to cover everything in this particular video. Now, if you actually want to go ahead and get to learn all of this as quick as possible, I have a free 90-minute guide where I would show you exactly how this works and show you exactly how you can actually start making your ads very much more profitable. That's going to be the first link in the description of this particular video. Click on it and access it like ASAP. But at the same time, I'm also going to be dropping my affiliate link to sign up on Bombi, right? The only one tool for business owners to set up their funnels and all. You actually want to use the particular tool right now for this entire process. It makes it fast, quick, and you don't have to overthink, overstress on your entire setup process. But as well, I am still going to be making another video where we'll look through my dashboard. I'll practically show you how this whole Facebook ad thing works, how I set up mine, and how you too can also set up yours from now and henceforth. And obviously, I hope this is going to help you. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. And if you're new here, say hi in the comment section as well. And subscribe to this particular channel, smash on the bell icon so that you can actually get updated on every other single videos that I'll be dropping here. It's going to be massive and mind-blowing, and you don't want to miss any of it, okay? I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. And till then, stay tuned.